Telstra Air is Australia's largest Wi-Fi network. And Telstra Air Merchant is now available for small to medium-sized businesses who want a great guest Wi-Fi experience aligned to their brand. Telstra Air Merchant allows new and existing Telstra Business fixed broadband customers to offer Wi-Fi that is free to their guests, with guest usage deducted from the business's broadband data allowance. And unlike some other guest Wi-Fi solutions, it does not expose or share the business Wi-Fi password or require staff to hand out Wi-Fi details. You can control the maximum length and how much data your guests can use in a session. In return, businesses can gain insights about their guests via aggregated demographic and usage analytics, through survey questions and social media login, on a customisable splash page where they can display promotional offers to help grow their business.
Telstra Air customers can log into your hotspot's Telstra Air Wi-Fi signal automatically via the Telstra Air app. It makes the whole process easy.
Telstra Air Merchant is easy to self-install and consists of a hotspot, a quick start guide, warranty booklet, promotional stickers, power supply, Ethernet cable, mounting kit, and access to the online control panel. The Telstra Air Merchant hotspot self-configures once connected to power and your fixed broadband modem. And once businesses access their online control panel, they can design their splash page to align to their business branding and customise the access method with which they would like guests to connect to their Wi-Fi service.
With Telstra Air Merchant's control panel, you can change offers on your splash page every day. This helps you present relevant and targeted promotions to your customers.
Businesses can also access online how-to videos on YouTube and FAQs on Telstra.com, as well as live chat and phone support. Businesses can also improve their productivity by registering as a Telstra Air customer to enable the account holder to use free Wi-Fi data when out and about at over 1 million Telstra Air hotspots around Australia and millions of FON hotspots overseas. If you're a Telstra Business fixed broadband customer, get your business onto Telstra Air Merchant and take your guest Wi-Fi to a whole new level. Telstra Air Merchant. Be that business that better knows your customers to better serve your customers.